If you're a landlord or property manager, your entire business lives online, from rent payments to tenant details. But how safe is it really? And how can you protect it while still using AI automation to make your life easier? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sydney, and today we're tackling one of the biggest questions in modern property management. How do you keep sensitive data secure while also using powerful AI automation tools? Whether you manage 5 units or 500 units, a single data breach can mean lost trust, legal headaches, and a lot of sleepless nights. That's why at MagicDoor, we don't just automate your rent collection and maintenance, we safeguard your entire digital operation like it's Fort Knox. Think about the information you share every day. Rental applications with social security numbers, bank account details for autopay, even photos of repairs that could include someone's private info. If any of that falls into the wrong hands, you're not just facing an IT problem, you could be facing identity theft, drained accounts, lawsuits, and a reputation hit you might never recover from. This is why security can't be an afterthought, it needs to be one baked in from day one. Big tech veterans know what it takes to keep billions of passwords, credit cards, and health records safe. And most of MagicDoor's backend team comes straight from Amazon and Google. They've battled everything from casual hackers to serious nation-state attacks. Now they're bringing that same world-class playbook to property management, adding extra layers of protection where it matters most: payments, tenant information, and your financial reporting. When you see that little padlock in your browser, that's HTTPS at work. And with MagicDoor, it's non-negotiable. Every click, every keystroke, every payment. It's all sent through an encrypted tunnel that hackers can't crack. So whether your tenant's paying rent at 2 a.m. or you're approving a work order on your phone, your data stays scrambled until it reaches our secure data center. Inside MagicDoor, different microservices handle different jobs: payments, messaging, accounting, and each one has its own digital key card. Each service carries a digital key card called an OAuth token, stamped with a scope that spells out exactly what it's allowed to do. So if someone tries to force their way in through one door, they'll hit a dead end before they can snoop around the rest of your data. So think of it like a hotel. Your room key only opens your room, not every room on the floor. Our databases don't live out in the open. They're tucked away behind a virtual private network, a gated digital neighborhood that outsiders can't even see. On top of that, all sensitive data is encrypted at rest. That means if someone somehow got their hands on the hardware, they'd find nothing but scrambled nonsense. And we don't just lock it once and forget it. We rotate encryption keys on a strict schedule, the digital version of changing the locks so yesterday's key can't open today's vault. Now, great security isn't just about technology, it's also about the people. So at MagicDoor, only a handful of carefully vetted engineers can even access production keys, and every request is logged and reviewed and time limited. Plus, every click and API call leaves a trail on our audit logs for 60 days. So if anything unusual pops up, we can trace it, fix it fast, and show clear proof if needed. Hackers don't stand still, and neither do we. We run regular red team exercises, basically hiring our own people to break into the system so we can find weak spots before real attackers find them. Security at MagicDoor isn't just a feature, it's a discipline baked into every single step. So if you want the freedom and efficiency of AI automation without losing sleep over data breaches, it's time to take your property management security seriously. With MagicDoor, your payments, documents, and tenant data stay locked up tighter than a high-end vault, so you can focus on happier tenants and growing your business. Are you ready to see bulletproof security in action? Well, you can click the link below to schedule a live demo, or go ahead and onboard for free and see how MagicDoor keeps your data and your peace of mind protected. And see how MagicDoor is bringing AI automation to the property management world for free without sacrificing your security. Simply just click the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the questions. I'll see you in the next one.